Sorry.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what
Hey, what's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, guys. Today we're going to talk about my underglow from One Up Lighting. As you can see, it's a little dark at this undisclosed location of where I'm at right now, guys. But the reason for that is I want to really display the underglow, you know, at its, you know, full peak potential. You know what I mean? It needs to be in the night. Obviously, you can't see it in the daytime. But basically, guys, I'm just gonna go over, you know, the underglow, how much it cost me, kind of how to use the app, and you know, the kind of the pros and cons of the underglow. And yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and let's get this video started. Guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm SRT Dad. This right here is my 2009 Dodge Charger SRT 8. I got a ton of content on the car, guys. You guys will kind of see throughout the videos. I'm doing a walk around the car. It has a lot of modifications done to it. So if you have any questions, please, you know, let me know in the comment section. And please hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you like the car, guys. Like I said, ton of content. Anyways, guys, let's get going with this underglow. All right, YouTube, so here's the Charger. It's I'm not gonna lie, I haven't washed it in almost 2 weeks now. She's pretty dirty, but it's nighttime, so you can't tell too much. But you kind of see on the hood there how dusty it is. But here's a quick walk around, guys. Like I said, it's a 2009. As you can tell, I moved to a different location, so I was near a water mill, but a lot of people started showing up, so I decided to find a different spot to film. But here she is, guys. As you can tell, you know, it's not a stock as far as visuals, cosmetics. It has a lot of things done to it cosmetically. If you have any questions about it, hit the comment section. I know a lot of people that watch my channel, it's been their first time. So anyways, guys, we're gonna get into this the lighting, the underglow, right? So if you do follow my channel, as you can see here, this app is actually for my halos on my headlights, which I got this modification done a few months ago. Let me turn down the lights. You can see here. You can see. Hopefully you can see good on this GoPro, guys, but you know, it could change any color you want it to, right? So you can see here I'm just pushing, you know, it even has a little color wheel to change it to whatever I want to. There's a lot of different functions it has. You can see I just hit a random one. Yellow gradual change, white gradual change. We got blue strobe flash, right? Yellow strobe flash, 7-color jump change. Anyways, guys, that mod I got done a few months ago, like I said. Now for this next app here, it's called LED lamp, right? So this is what it looks like once you're into it. I did have a little bit of a problem when I first got the mod done, guys. After I downloaded it, it wouldn't connect properly to the underglow, but you just have to refresh it a couple times, and then this is what the main screen looks like. You just hit this on button, and then if it doesn't work, just push it again. See, there it goes. So it's on white right now, right? It's the same kind of deal, guys. You got a color wheel, and then you can have your main colors kind of set there. There's green, there's yellow, there's a pink right there, red, white. So like I said, the only bad thing about this app, guys, it's you just have to like refresh it a couple times to connect properly. But after that, once you get the hang of that, it works pretty good. There it is. Looks really nice. There's the blue there. And then on this app, you have actually a ton of modes you can float through. Like, I swear, guys, there's over 100 different modes on here. You can see this one's a forward dreaming, backward dreaming. We got forward 7 colors. Really cool. Now this underglow from One Up Lighting, it is a flow series as compared to my headlights, which are not. My headlights are just straight colors. You can change it to whatever, but they don't flow like the underglow does, which I kind of almost wish I would have got the flow series on the halos on my headlights, but I still like them. Really cool, guys. So here's red, green, and blue. And then you could, I believe you could even set your own custom modes on here if you want. Still haven't got around to that. Now obviously guys, you can't drive around you know, with this kind of underglow. I believe the white, you might be able to get away with it, but like this, guys, you're driving around like this at night, you can get pulled over. So that's a downfall on this underglow. Let me see, you got a backward trailing yellow. It's pretty cool. And I'm already on numbers. Let me just fly to 54 here. This is mode 54 right here, guys. Backward stream. Look at that. Let's fly to 64. Just looks like it's just red. Let's just see how many there is on here. So right now this is 124. This is red, green, blue right here. You can see it's kind of like, that's awesome, guys. Let's see, this is 132. Really cool. Look at this one. Oh, this one's awesome. This one's really cool. I haven't even seen this one, honestly, guys. I haven't been playing around with this app that much. I haven't had time. So we're kind of going through this together. Look at this one. This one's awesome, too. This one's called Forward Flow, white, green, white? I don't know. I don't know what the abbreviations stand for. But this is mode 163, guys. That's how cool this app is. Let's go. I'm at 190 now. I don't even know where this ends. I thought, okay, 210. This is the last one. It's called Closed Curtain Swab. Yellow, maybe it looks like. Oh, it's kind of interesting flow there. Let's see this one. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, red. I like the red. Oh yeah. And this one's not as bright as the other one, so it's a little more. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. I'm over here supposed to be doing a review. I'm over here acting confused, guys. Oh, look at that. It changed colors. Oh, red, green, blue. So it looks like it's going to stay red, then goes green for a little bit, and then it's going to go blue all on its own in a certain amount of time. Very cool. Now here's the headlights again, guys. Oops. So, you know, combining the halo rings on the headlights and then the look at that, green, looks cool. My personal favorite though, guys, is red and red. It's my personal favorite. Very awesome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna set the GoPro somewhere and kind of just drive by on this little parking lot, just so you kind of see what the car looks like as it's driving with the halos and the headlights on, guys. Freaking awesome. Sorry. Alright guys, so I had to move spots once again as something went off on a speaker around the area I was at saying I was trespassing, which was crazy. It scared me off for sure. Once again, there's underglow, guys. Got the green lights on right now, and just amazing, guys. If I were to give this a score out of 10, I would give it I'd get 9 out of 10, guys. And the only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 is, like I said, the app's just a little different, you know what I mean, as far as connecting. But other than that, once you're in it, oh my god, guys, so many things you can do with this underglow. Great for car shows, but like I said, you don't want to be driving around with these on. Very awesome. Like I said, sorry the car is dirty, guys. Very cool. Alright, YouTube. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm SRT Dad, and I'm out.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.